Hello, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about coffee cart. I don't say it's a coffee cart, I say it's a hot drink cart because you can do hot apple cider, tea, hot chocolate. We could even do some toddies, add in some Baileys or Kahlua. That's your discretion. But this is really a hot drink cart, and this is one of the first decisions we made when we moved was where are we going to put the cart. You can find a section on your counter if you'd like, but we utilized this cart up against the wall. One of the things you want to think about is electricity in the back. Make sure you have a plug wherever you're going to put this. That almost became a problem for us, but we rectified that. And then I'm going to show you what we stock here and also share with you some reasons why you should have a hot drink cart. With the people that are working from home today, it's more beneficial just to have something here. And the cost savings is incredible. You could also invest in a reusable cup or have some disposable cups to go. Sometimes those are nice to have on hand just in case somebody's coming through and wants to take a hot drink, but yet they're not really coming back here to return the cup. One of the other big reasons of why to do this is that you know the ingredients in your product. Just saying, you are in control of what you're putting in your stuff. You're in control of the coffee, you're in control of the tea and which ones you choose. There is such a selection of teas out there. It's great to pick and choose some of your own. Down underneath is a little overflow of mugs, as you can see. And down at the bottom, in the very back there, is a whole bunch of tea boxes, but I'm gonna show you, that's overstock there. I'm gonna show you how we do that. And espresso cups and latte cups to grab. And we have some teapots. We do have a couple teapots, and we have our Christmas stuff out. We have a thermos down there in case we need it. I do have this basket. We do have a little bit of sugars in here. This is my tea basket, and I do put a nice selection in there. So I can pull this out, stick it on the table when somebody comes by. Mulling spices for apple cider, some cinnamon sticks, sugar cubes for tea, coffee, and the last one, of course, is marshmallows. No problem, Joni grabbed that. Found these great little containers on Amazon, little spoons. Wonderful. So I do have some crushed peppermint. Usually you can find some. If you cannot, you can just grab a box of candy canes and put them in the food processor to crunch them up. Picked up some sea salt caramels. Last but not least, mini chocolate chips. We also have some cinnamon and nutmeg. 1 pump is 1 tablespoon, if that is something that you're concerned with. And I will tell you, I like the counters clean. Not much for clutter, but I have a little decor I'm gonna add to this just to kind of blend it in. This is just a little internet box. It's the best place for us to put that. It's an extender, I believe. I'm just gonna camouflage a little bit here with some more Christmas decor. Also have my hot cocoa mix that I made. And if you are interested in the homemade cocoa mix, I will leave a link right here for the video. How to make this. This is great. Also love having these. I got these off of Etsy. I will put the link down below. I'm not sure if these ones are still available, but they're really cute. They're like little coffee type cloths. And we utilize these for the steamer and cleaning up any spills. Leave them right in the drawer here. And then I wash them once a week. Always have decaf coffee. The one thing I forgot. Syrups. Those are important. Be right back.